What's going on, guys? So today, compound's pretty loaded up actually, but we're actually all about to leave because we're going to go pick up the G today. Finally got done tuning at Dyna Motorsports. So yeah, today we're gonna go pick that shit up. I'm hella excited. We're taking Devin's Jenny up. Owen, Devin, and Caleb, we're all going together. And me and Caleb are hopping in the G on the way back. Gonna get some first reactions. I'll release the power numbers later in the video. Take a guess in the comments below. But yeah, she's pretty spicy. I'll tell you that place. It's pretty spicy. So yeah, on the way to Toronto, and we'll see you there. And we are off. We are off in the race car. So, how excited are we, boys? I'm yeah, I'm stoked. Yeah, I'm amped. I'm so excited to pick this thing up.
So we pulled up to the shop and I got a little overexcited. Didn't get too many clips. So we had to put the bumper on, had to check over a few little things. Shout out to Baz for getting the little bit of clips that we got. And yeah, once I checked everything over, she was good to go and we sent her home.
Amazing! Oh my god! That's nuts! Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh. Bro! No, it's nuts! Bro! It's nuts!
How violent is that shit in the rear?
That's crazy! It's crazy!
Wow!
So about 2 minutes into our ride home, my heart sank because I actually thought I blew up the motor due to this lovely sound. But actually it was just my rad fans. They fell down a little bit and smacking off the rad. So tightened that up with our 10 mil and we were good to go.
Well, it is wheel hopping a bit. Man, good fucking thing you have 110 mil.
Yeah.
Enough of this editing stuff. Time to hear some raw turbo noises. I found out it has rolling anti-lag.
Let him get beside you, let him get beside you. doesn't get old.
So we don't break anything or crash.
Oh yeah, big one. Oh my god. Squirrely.
And now time for the rest of the reactions.
Put your headphones on and walk in the middle of the
Alright, boys. Here we are. First ride.
Logan's first drive in the G that he built pretty much. So
Pumped to feel it. I felt it a little bit off camera, like a second gear pull, and it was pretty quick.
and we weren't even up there.
No.
That was like $4 or $5 grand.
Alright, we're about to get on the highway. Hopefully there's some room for us to give her.
Yeah.
It looks actually pretty clear.
The highway looks beautiful, ladies and gentlemen.
Alright, here we go.
We'll do 60.
Okay, here's 60.
That is nuts, right? Oh my god. Oh, we're going.
I'm not sure you're allowed to say how fast that is on YouTube, but
Kylo's reaction video.
I'm a little nervous.
Do a little countdown for you.
Actually, don't even. No countdowns. Just go. We can just be nervous. What the bro? Oh my god! Oh my god!
yeah.
Jesus Christ. Yeah.
That gets up there quick.
Oh yeah. That's 180, just like that.
Jesus Christ. Holy fuck.
Alright, ready? Oh yeah, the turbo noise. This road are wild. I'll do 60 and I'll brake boost. Ready?
Yeah.
So, the G has been brought in home. The first opinions, I guess. What do we think, boys?
Very nice. Very
It's-
nice. Great success.
It's intense, boys. So yeah, I'm amped. I hope you guys liked the little pickup video, and there's gonna be lots of G content coming in the future. So hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe. Thanks.